Ugh, brother. Ugh. Right. Oh. Here's the deal. Oh my gosh. Tomorrow is Father's Day, and we are gonna bake a cake for my dad. Now, I don't know how this is gonna go, but let's find out. Show me his bowls. Look what? This bowl? Oh, we got the mixer. I gotta get the mixer down there. Get it. No sweat. Okay, so this is the cake that we're gonna make, but instead of frosting, we're gonna cover it with peanut butter, and I'm gonna try to make a peanut butter frosting because my dad likes Reese's, so that's what we're doing. Husband in a pan, coat bottom of pan with non-stick peppers, cooking spray and such, and I'm gonna go ahead and put stuff. Oh wait, up here.
Yeah,
up here.
yeah.
1 cup of water.
Okay.
1.5 cup oil.
1.5 cups?
Yeah.
And 1 cup of water?
1 cup of water. Yes.
Wait, so we use milk?
I don't know how to bake cakes.
You don't know how to bake a cake?
No. I did one time though. I put like the baking of the cake in a cup. I did that one time. That was really good.
That's the 5 milligrams. This should be it. Okay. No fat.
Are you sure? Okay. That's this cake. Can you see oxygen milk?
Yeah. This is no fat milk. Oh, okay. Okay, so 1 cup.
Yeah. And 1.5 cup oil. I was going to weird if like you ever poured that in your life.
Okay, so do I come to your house?
Shut up.
What are you timing this on? Is there a timer or you just randomly?
Just randomly, no, whatever I'm not feeling it.
Alright, that's fine. It could be right directly after. It could be the next 2 hours.
Alright, got it.
One and a half cup of oil?
Yes, 1.5 cup oil, and then it says 3 eggs, so how do you measure for eggs?
Let's Google it. Cup per 3 tablespoons.
Okay, that's a tablespoon.
Right?
No.
Are you sure it's 1.5?
No. 1/2.
No, look at me. Look at your oil. You're so annoying. You know what's crazy? I can't even pour this in the thing. I can't even pour this in the thing for the spray because it's got milk in the bottom of it. So you do. I can't breathe. What do I do? Just throw it away, bro. It's gonna be better. No, that's bad for the drain. I don't know what to do with it. Put it in the trash. It's not supposed to go trash. It's a liquid.
Apple pie.
Chop. Where's peanut butter crispy dough? What up, peanut butter? Is it down here? Mm-hmm. What does it look like? Like a hand. Wait, you don't know what a cake pan looks like? I mean, I do. I don't remember a cake pan. It's circle.
Oh, circle.
Oh my god, you get on my nerves, bro. I don't see a circle. You don't see a circle?
Oh, that. I thought that's not for us. I thought we had a thought that was like circular for specifically we had a like that. You know what I'm saying?
Okay. Thank you.
And food. We don't use this. Oh look, it's a rust in the shape of a heart.
Is it? I use that actually. I cook 1 egg on it.
No, you don't.
I do. It makes no sense.
It's rusted though.
Well, you can scrape off the rust. You know that, right?
Cute. Keep it the back side.
You
Alright,
just,
so what do I do with this? I just spread it on.
Butter. I'll put butter in it? No, just use butter, not oil. It might be too fat.
Too fat in for that?
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day.
You irritate my spirit.
No, dude.
I'm just thinking about the oil.
Yeah. I don't want to mess.
Alright. No, you're doing great.
Can you hold the thing?
Yeah, is it heavy? Is it too heavy for you? Sad. People are mean. Oh, I'm sorry. We're now on big liberal arts colors. I used to see that. It was the everyone likes me and they sound great in my same space.
I don't know that.
Oh my gosh, one of my favorite episodes. What TV show are we talking about? Pop Boys. Times Up You Failed. It was like, damn. Yep. Hot comment one time.
What is that?
It said, what's something that America isn't ready to hear? And they said the South Park should not be an accurate representation of your country.
Damn, like it is though. Wow. It's, you can't see that.
Ah,
Y'all cannot see the cake.
nigga, I can't hear anything.
I'm not talking to you.
I don't want to lift it up and ask them so quick. For 2 minutes? No, 15 minutes. No, 2 minutes. No, 4 minutes? So logically,
Oh wait, okay, so it says, I think I don't hear. 30 to 30, what's that inch?
I don't know, but I can tell you right now in the history of never, nobody has ever baked a cake for 2 minutes. Okay. This isn't a microwave mud cake episode, girl.
I'm just
like
watching
Happy Bird.
the-
Like what? What is wrong with you?
Then I'll just sit it for 30 minutes and whatever happens, happens.
Yeah, just do 30 minutes and then we'll check it.
That's why I say it's hard.
No.
Spill it. You had different goals. Anyways,
I was struggling.
How to make icing?
Okay.
Let's look it up.
But I'm pretty sure we could just whip it, right? Like into icing.
I don't know how.
And then use like powdered sugar, maybe.
What do we need?
Maybe just some milk and some powdered sugar.
That's it?
Yeah.
Do we need eggs?
No, we don't need eggs.
Okay.
What? You don't bake frosting.
Why are you yelling?
Get away from me.
Sugar. So why sugar? 1 cup creamy peanut butter. 1 cup, half a cup butter. 2 cups of what?
Powdered sugar. Does this look powdered to you?
You said sugar.
I said powdered.
You can go ahead
sugar.
and rewind it.
Okay, I will.
All right.
I'm so sorry. Is there anything you want to say?
Chocolate.
Is there anything you want to say? You know what? Forget it.
What? Forget what?
I'm just weighing it. And I love how you're just like being a doubter, being a hater.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow.
For everyone who doesn't speak cat, basically what Snowball has said was...
Look at that. That's really not cute.
Leave him alone. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Make sure to give a shout out in the comments, and yeah.
Send it to your brother, your sister,
Yeah,
your
send
aunt,
to your brother, your sister, your aunt,
your neighbor, Jeff.
your nephew, your neighbor Jeff, and
Cubes. This is broth. Yeah. Oh, that's actually what Billie Eilish uses for her chicken. You're obsessed. No, I saw it. Really, you're wearing a Billie Eilish shirt. I knew you were. We're killing this. Okay. We just coat the outside and then do the stuff on top, so it looks like a.
Yeah. You're...
Snowball.
Isn't that right? So how we tested the cake was we took a knife because we don't have a toothpick, and then we just poked a hole in the middle, and if it comes out like this, that means put it back in the oven. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You about to piss me off.
That one looks just like this. What are you talking about? This is how I look at. You think you find your own. I'm gonna try, guys.
Now all of a sudden, you don't want to come out. It's kind of insane. I don't know. It was supposed to be a smiley thing.
Well, we did it.
You not gonna tell them bye?
Bye, guys.